Hey food fans, welcome to another edition of Then We Eat. On today's episode, we'll be easy baking with Debbie. And today we'll be making cornbread. We're going to start with our dry ingredients. To our bowl, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornmeal, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 cup of flour. We're going to give that a mix. Make sure we get everything all incorporated. We're going to set this aside and we're going to work on our wet ingredients. To our bowl, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of butter with 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of milk. We're going to give that a mix, as much as we can. It will take a minute for you to get the butter to mix into the milk. Just get it mixed in as much as you can. Well, I would say that's about as much as I'm going to get it mixed. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients. I'm going to make a little well. I'm going to dump all my wet ingredients in here. And we'll give that a mix. It's going to be a dry batter. That's what you're looking for. That looks pretty well mixed. Now I'm going to prepare the cake pan and turn on our easy bake oven. I'm not sure about this, but I'm going to butter my cake pan just to make sure that nothing sticks. I don't know if I need to do that or not. It's been a while since I've used the easy bake oven. I did that with the cake. It didn't stick, so I'm going to continue to do it now. I'm just going to brush on some butter using my little pastry brush. Don't forget to get up the sides too. We're going to add our batter to the pan. You want to make sure not to overfill it or you won't be able to get your bread out of the easy bake oven. I would say no more than 3/4 full. I still have some batter in here. I think I'm going to call this cake pan full. I don't want to overfill it. Okay, we have our batter in our pan and we're ready to put it into the easy bake oven. We're going to bake this for about 15 minutes. We'll come back and check after 10 to make sure that it's cooking all right and it's not overflowing. So in it goes. Welcome back. It's been 15 minutes, my timer is gone. It's time to take the cake out of the oven. Okay, so I've pulled my cake out of the oven. It didn't quite come out all at once, it did shear off the top. I now know I need to use less in my pan the next time. Let's make sure it's going to come out of the tray. It does look like it's going to come out. Let's slide it onto a plate and see what it looks like. I imagine it's pretty warm, but we'll try and give it a taste anyway. Oh, it looks good. Very, very tasty. Got a nice crispiness. The inside is nice and soft and fluffy. Very good. But the only thing that I might change is the next time I might try throwing some cranberries in there. So if you liked our video, hit the like button, share it with all your friends, subscribe so you know when the next video is coming out, and comment down below. Would you make this? Or what would you like to see us make next in the Easy Bake Oven? And don't forget, first we cook, then we eat. So good.